Did you know that a surprising number of millionaires under 30 made their fortune in real estate? It's true. While many think it's a game for older generations, young people are finding incredible success. Real estate is a powerful vehicle for building wealth. I'm living proof. I'm not from a wealthy background. I grew up in a modest neighborhood where luxury was a distant dream. My family worked hard to make ends meet, and we valued every dollar. This upbringing instilled in me a strong work ethic and a deep appreciation for financial stability. I didn't have a trust fund or family connections. There were no safety nets or golden opportunities handed to me. Every step I took had to be earned through sheer determination and hard work. I knew that if I wanted to change my financial future, I had to rely on myself. At 20 years old, I was working a dead-end job, barely making ends meet. I was stuck in a cycle of paycheck-to-paycheck living, constantly worried about how I would pay my bills. The stress was overwhelming, and I knew I couldn't continue down this path if I wanted a better life. But I had a burning desire to achieve financial freedom. I was determined to break free from the constraints of my current situation. I spent countless nights thinking about how I could change my life, how I could build a future where financial worries were a thing of the past. I knew I needed a plan, a way to break free from the ordinary. I started brainstorming ideas, writing down my goals, and mapping out a strategy. I realized that to achieve something extraordinary, I had to be willing to take risks and step out of my comfort zone. That's when I discovered the power of real estate. It became my obsession. I saw real estate as a tangible way to build wealth, a path that many successful people had taken. The more I learned, the more convinced I became that this was the key to my financial freedom. I devoured every book and article I could find. I spent hours reading about real estate investment strategies, market trends, and success stories. I wanted to understand every aspect of the industry, from buying and selling properties to managing rentals and flipping houses. I attended seminars and learned from mentors. It wasn't easy. These events were often expensive and time-consuming, but I knew they were necessary investments in my education. I connected with industry experts, asked questions, and absorbed as much knowledge as I could. I faced setbacks and rejections. Not every deal went through, and not every investment paid off. There were times when I felt discouraged and doubted my abilities, but each setback was a learning opportunity, a chance to refine my approach and come back stronger. But I never gave up. I kept pushing forward, driven by the vision of a better future. I reminded myself that every successful person had faced challenges and that perseverance was the key to overcoming them. I stayed focused on my goals and kept working towards them, no matter how tough things got. By age 26, through hard work and smart investments, I hit my first million. You can too. It wasn't an overnight success, but a journey of dedication, learning, and resilience. If you're willing to put in the effort, stay committed, and keep learning, you can achieve financial freedom and build the life you've always dreamed of. One of the biggest misconceptions about real estate is that it's only for the wealthy. That's simply not true. Yes, it takes capital to get started, but there are creative financing options available. You don't need to be born rich to succeed in this business. Young people often face challenges like limited credit history or perceived lack of experience. Don't let these obstacles hold you back. With the right knowledge and determination, you can overcome them. My real estate journey began with intense learning. I immersed myself in books, podcasts, and seminars. I wanted to understand everything from market analysis to financing options. Knowledge is power in this game. Finding my first property was a thrill. I started small, focusing on a neighborhood with potential for growth. I spent months researching, analyzing properties, and crunching numbers. When the right deal came along, I was ready to make my move. Section 5. Strategies for Success. Building my empire, brick by brick. In this section, we delve into the meticulous process and the strategic mindset that has been the cornerstone of my journey in real estate. Every brick laid, every decision made, has been part of a larger vision. My success in real estate didn't happen overnight. It was a journey filled with late nights, early mornings, and countless hours of research and planning. The road was long and often challenging, but each step was a learning experience that brought me closer to my goals. It took strategic planning and focused action. I spent countless hours mapping out my goals, setting deadlines, and creating detailed plans. Every meeting, every brainstorming session was a step towards refining my strategy and ensuring that I was always moving forward. I developed a system for identifying undervalued properties in up-and-coming areas. This involved thorough market research, understanding neighborhood trends, and being able to spot potential where others saw none. It was about seeing the bigger picture and making informed decisions. I learned the art of negotiation to secure the best deals. Negotiation is a critical skill in real estate, and mastering it meant being able to communicate effectively, understand the needs of all parties involved, and find a middle ground that benefited everyone. I wasn't afraid to take calculated risks. Real estate is inherently risky, but with careful planning and a willingness to step out of my comfort zone, I was able to turn potential pitfalls into opportunities for growth. Each risk taken was a calculated move towards building my empire. I leveraged my equity to acquire more properties, gradually building my portfolio. This strategy allowed me to expand my holdings and increase my assets over time. Remember, success leaves clues. By studying the patterns and strategies of successful investors, I was able to replicate their success and adapt it to my own journey. Follow those who have already achieved what you desire. Learning from mentors and industry leaders provided invaluable insights and guidance. Their experiences and advice helped me navigate the complexities of the real estate market and avoid common pitfalls. Surrounding myself with successful individuals inspired me to push harder and aim higher, knowing that the path to success had already been paved by those who came before me. Section 6. The Turning Point. A Leap of Faith. There was a pivotal moment in my journey that changed everything. It was a moment that required courage, vision, and a willingness to embrace uncertainty. I remember standing at a crossroads, contemplating my next move, knowing that the decision I was about to make could either propel me forward or set me back. I found a distressed multi-family property in a prime location. The building was in shambles with broken windows, peeling paint, and an overgrown yard. But amidst the decay, I saw an opportunity. I saw a diamond in the rough, waiting to be polished. It needed work, but I saw its potential. I could envision the transformation, the new life that could be breathed into those walls. I imagined families moving in, children playing in the yard, and the sound of laughter filling the air. It was a vision that fueled my determination. Everyone told me it was too risky. Friends, family, and even seasoned investors advised against it. They saw only the surface, the dilapidation, and the financial burden. They couldn't see what I saw. They couldn't see the potential for growth, the possibility of turning a liability into an asset. I took a leap of faith. Despite the doubts and the naysayers, I trusted my instincts. I believed in my vision and my ability to bring it to life. I signed the purchase documents knowing that this was the beginning of a challenging yet rewarding journey. I poured my heart and soul into renovating that property. Every day was a new challenge, from dealing with contractors to managing budgets. But with each stroke of paint and every nail hammered, I could see the transformation taking shape. The once rundown building was slowly becoming a place of beauty and comfort. I turned it into a cash-flowing machine. The renovated apartments attracted tenants quickly, and the rental income started to flow. The property that everyone doubted became a testament to what vision and hard work could achieve. It was no longer a distressed building, it was a thriving community. That single decision catapulted my success. It was the turning point that set the stage for future investments and growth. The financial graphs showed a steady upward trend, and my confidence soared. I had proven to myself and others that taking calculated risks could lead to great rewards. Don't be afraid to bet on yourself. Trust your vision, embrace the challenges, and take that leap of faith. Your journey may be filled with obstacles, but it's those very obstacles that will shape your success. Believe in your potential and let your passion guide you to new heights. Section 7. Your real estate journey starts now. My story is proof that anyone can achieve financial freedom through real estate. It doesn't matter your age, background, or current financial situation. What matters is your willingness to learn, work hard, and never give up on your dreams. Take action today. Start by educating yourself. Attend a seminar, read a book, or connect with a mentor. The real estate market is full of opportunities. Are you ready to seize yours? Section 8. Keep learning and growing. I'd love to hear your real estate stories. Share your experiences, questions, and successes in the comments below. Let's learn from each other. Want more tips on investing in real estate? Check out my other piece on the 10x rule to real estate riches for even more strategies to dominate the market.